Trout gets into one toward left center field. That ball is crushed, and that one is gone. A big fly from Mike Trout. And the Angels get on the board as they trail it 2-1. That was a missile that got out in a hurry.
That's a long way out, especially it's a slider. So he generated all that power himself. Talk about getting that big swing, get the offense going, and Trout provides that, and a Trout fan with the baseball. I'm sure those hands hurt a little bit too after trying to get that line drive home run from Trout.